Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can change folder permission in your Windows operating system? You can see here we have a folder, okay? So just right click on it and go to properties, and you can see the security option here. Here you can see everything, okay? The system, okay? System has all the permission you can see here. And now let's talk about user has all the permission, and administrator group has all the permissions, okay? So how you can add it, just like suppose I don't want to give this user extra permission, so just go to advanced, select the user here and advanced, and you can select and remove the user, okay? So also you can change the ownership from here, okay? If I select change, I can change the ownership, okay? Which one I want to give the ownership, you can select from here and select the user you want to use, okay? So you can change the ownership also here and add the permission and remove the permission from user, okay? For this folder, okay? So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe.